Okay, good morning. 9th B algebra lecture, chapter number 3. Three point two we will complete. 3.1 we have done half part before exam and half part last Thursday. Now 3.2 first. Use given letter means with the alphabet we have to prepare equation. There are A trees in the village. If the number of trees increase every year by B, then how many trees will be there after X tree? So number of tree is A. Every year increase B. After X year XB. Every year increase B. 1 year increase B. Second year increase 2B. Third year increase 3B. Every year B. Suppose it is increasing by 5. So first year increase 5. Next year also increase 5. So 10. Third year also increase by 5. So 50. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are. So every year B. In 1 year B, 2 year 2B, 3 year 3B, 4 year 4B. So X year XB. This was present and after X year it is XB. So how much it will be after X year? Total will be original plus increased number. This is increase after X year. At present A, every year increase B. In X year it will increase XB. So after X year, present original A plus XB. For the parade, there are Y students in each row. X rows are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade? In each row. Why? Number of row. X. 5 students. And there are 10 lines of 5 students. So 5 tens are 50. 10 student. 3 line of 10 student. So 10 30. So total number of student is equal to number of row and number of student in the row. Number of row into student in row. So number of row X, this is Y. Total. Third, Tens, dot product. There are x row, number of rows are y, so xy. For example, in each row there are 5 student, 5 student, 5 student, 5 student, 5 student, 4 times 4 5s are like that. How many total number of students? 10 units and unit place of 2 digits are in m and n respectively. Write the polynomial which represent the 2-digit number. Unit place, 10th place, mn. This is n, this is n. Suppose unit place is 2 and 10th place is 3. So it will be 23 or 32, tell me. Unit place 2. 10. No. 10th place come first, no. 10th place, then unit place. 3, 2. So how to form the number? Therefore number is equal to 10th place into 10 plus unit place into 1. So 10th place is m. This is n. So 10n plus n. Follow? Again, suppose it is 5 and 7. So unit place we will write back. 10th place we will write first in front. So it is 75, not 57. In 57, this is unit, this is 10th. Unit place, 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, 10 lakh place. Like that. So 0 goes on increasing. So this, if it is 100 place, so 100 into that number. So unit place back side. So unit place back, then 10th place. So 3, 2, not 2, 3. These are the example. Not including question. Now, very good question. Add the given polynomial. Second, add x cube. Why saying this writing clear, no? If any problem, no, you just message or call me. Only with the same power we can add and subtract. So it is plus, so x cube x cube plus 5x cube. It is x cube, so consider 1x cube. Minus then second power. No another x square, only x, only number. So 5 plus 1, 6x cube. Same power we can add and subtract. Here no square is there, so only 1. This is only 1. 9 minus 9 is 0, no need to write. Save it. Save it. हाँ से it is plus, so no need to change the sign. Now 4 power we will write together. Who want to ask, bachcha? Ask now. Four power, then 3 power, then 2 power. Then only 1 power. Then only number. So minus 5 plus 5, minus 7 plus 5, minus 2, m raised to 4. 5 minus 3, 2, m cube. Only single term, repeat. Only single term, repeat. Arey speak bachcha, why you are just speaking sir? Say which this number? Not getting what you are telling. From higher power you have to start. Rest to 4, rest to 3, 2 power, 1 power and 0 power. 0 power means only coefficient, means only the number. Minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is 2, this is 3 and rest, because this root and without root numbers you cannot add. Correct? First polynomial plus second polynomial 9 plus third polynomial. If it is subtraction then need to write in bracket, otherwise not. First polynomial plus second polynomial plus third polynomial. Now we will take same power together. 2 square plus 3y square. Then we will take only y plus 7y plus 3y 4y plus 5 plus 9 minus 3. 3 plus 2 5. 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 4. 5 plus 9 14. 14 minus 3 11. Bigger figure sign. So just write in a single line, then collect from higher power. 2 power, 1 power, without power means 0 power. Then add and subtract. Now subtraction. Here to add, here to subtract. First polynomial is x square minus 9x plus root 3 minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. So x square minus 9x plus root 3 minus minus plus, minus plus minus, this is x, minus plus minus. Now collect same power, x square minus 7x square, minus 9x plus 19x, plus root 3 minus root 3, 0. 7 minus 1, 6 in bigger figure sign. 19 minus 9, 10. Root 3, 0. No need to write. So like that you can do subtraction. This is subtraction, first, third, second. It is given 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. This minus 3ab 8ab square 2a square b. Two ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Now minus plus minus 3ab minus plus minus minus plus 8ab square minus plus minus 2a square b. Now ab square 2ab square plus 8ab square. Now a square b, rhythmic saying. Now only ab. Whose mic is on, Krunal or Vishwakarma? Krunal, what do you want to speak, bacha? Say 8 plus 2, 10 ab square. 3 minus 2 only 1, a square b. Whose mic is on? Minus 3ab, minus 3, minus 7ab. This is the answer of second. This is answer of first. This is first. This is second. Now you can take the screenshot. Krunal, switch off your mic. Arey, very disturbance are coming from your. Krunal, your switcher your mic. Switch your mic off. Krunal. 4455 time how to shout. Your mic is not working. Take the screenshot. This or this. See the power 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. There are three types of different terms. One, a square and b. second a b square, one time a square b, second time a b square, third time a b. So 1, 2, 3 terms are given first bracket. This bracket it is continue minus, I have no space, so I have written below that. So first minus second. Now I have written this as it is 1, 2, 3. It is minus, so minus plus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and terms are repeated. A b square, s square b. Now I have collected ab square. See the single line, ab square, 2ab square, 8ab square, s square b, s square b. Which sign? ab, 8 plus 2, 10. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 s square b. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. ab. This all which I am writing on board note, you have to write in workbook and notebook. If 2 times you will write, no, that will be your good practice and you will definitely get good marks. 1 time copy and 1 time try at your one. So automatically your topic will be clear, and at the time of exam you have to just refer, not to learn at the end time. This is the basic planning for the maths, how to do the drill work and how to cover the revision part. Next, product. Product 2x x square 2x minus 1 x raised to 5 x cube what happened? Wait, I am doing it. Now it is okay. Is it okay? Body is clear, voice clear. Okay, now the product, this into this, first term into first term, that is 2x cube. This into this, now this into this, 2x into 2x, plus and minus minus, 2 to the 4, x square. Now this into this, 2x with minus 1, so minus 2x. So this is the answer. Now bracket into bracket. Whose mic is on, beta? Today you are giving lots of trouble. Anit, mic off करो. Anit, first term into full bracket, minus 1 into full bracket. Now this into this. So in a product form, power you have to add. So 5 plus 3, 8. 2 ones are 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 ones are 2. X raised to 5. Now with minus, so just change the sign. In between, why you are touching to the mic? Because see, after 2-3 minutes I have to speak same thing. Close your mic, close your mic, close your mic. Why you are touching to the mic? In audience, to do like this, it is very easy. You just stand here. You will come to know that it is one directional, again and again to write, again and again to rub, and to maintain all the things. So when you will come to this position, at that time you will come to know that this online teaching is not that much easy. So okay, now already it is in decreasing order. No plus and minus. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. No same this terms are there. So to add or subtract. Now 2y into full. It is done by mistake, it is okay, but when I am shouting that immediately you have to close, no? Again. See, means that means you are doing purposely this into this. 2 to the 4. Three to the 6, y square. Now plus 1, so the terms will be the same. By 1, multiply by 1, multiply by 1, multiply by 1. Now same terms with highest power. 4 power, then 3 power. 2y cube minus 2y cube 0. 6y square plus 1y square means 7y square plus y.